Why medical doctor got 2 years in prison? A special offence court, Ikeja, has sentenced a medical practitioner, Wilfred Fajemisin, to 2 years imprisonment for unlawful possession of a property document. Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo sentenced Fajemisin after he was found guilty of a charge brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. The medical doctor was arraigned on a 3-count charge on July 8, 2020. The anti-graft agency had alleged that the doctor obtained the document by false pretense and forgery contrary to Section 246(636) subsection 1 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State. He was alleged to have forged about 15 documents, among which is a deed of assignment of an estate belonging to the late Ashamu. However, he pleaded not guilty to the charge, which forced the prosecution to commence trial. The lead prosecution counsel, Mr. Samuel Daji, called 7 witnesses, including a handwriting expert and EFCC operative who investigated the case. Delivering judgment Tuesday, February 22, Justice Taiwo said the prosecution failed to prove 2 of the 3 counts. She, however, found him guilty on the 3rd charge, possession of forged document. The judge held that it is the duty of a prosecution to prove the ingredient of the alleged offense against the defendant. There is substantial evidence that the defendant was found in possession of a forged deed of assignment. Justice Taiwo therefore found him guilty of being in possession of forged document and thereafter sentenced Fajemisin to 2 years imprisonment. She, however, gave him an option of 500,000 naira fine in lieu of a prison term. Earlier, the defense counsel, Mr. Sunday Akunure, pleaded that the defendant, a medical doctor who has saved many lives, is remorseful and will never go back to being in possession of forged documents. He urged the court to temper justice with mercy and give him an option of fine. But the EFCC counsel, Babatunde Shonoiki, who submitted that there was no provision of option of fine, urged the court to sentence him according to Section 1, subsection 3 of the EFCC Act. After reading the section of law dealing with the offense of obtaining by false pretense and considering the allocutus, the judge sentenced Fajemisin to 2 years with an option of 500,000 naira. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.